DW Tinus Situng.
Accused persons are here.
Tinus Situng Barai Timung Purasuyai Lamprang Suting Elikbang. No, yeah.
This is the prosecutor so and so present. Accused persons are absent. All the accused persons are absent without any steps. Defense counsel is absent without any steps. No report on the summon issued to DW.
Someone returned.
Huh? Served.
Served.
Someone issued to the DW return. Duly served. Witness absent without any steps. Fixed by evidence.
One witness is there.
Yes.
Here also one witness. Only for cross.
Person come. Hosli Muksa, Barnes.
Yes.
Someone returned duly served to the witness, but what the witness has returned of them.
Where are the accused persons?
Accused person come. Hosli Muksa is it beyond. Barnes come. Absent.
Accused person come. Barnes come. Absent without any steps. Defense counsel absent without any steps. Accused Hosli Mukswar produced from Jelazar through BC. Someone issued to the witness return duly served. Witness absent without any steps. Fixed for evidence. Accused remanded back to 14 days judicial custody.
Dahun, Amrit, Lumlang, Michael.
Only two accused present, Your Honor.
Right now.
Amrit Timung and Dahun Situng present. The rest 4 accused are absent.
Who are present? Dahun and?
Dahun Situng, and Hamrit Timur.
What is the charge?
307, Your Honor.
It's 313, na?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's see, we may start. Yes.
Mukesh Damaring, Jefferson, Bahadur,
Yes, charge frame. Charge frame.
It's for charge frame.
Charge frame.
No, Your Honor, for amendment.
Yes. Is appearing for prosecution.
Yes, Your
You want to be heard?
That's it, Your Honor.
Huh?
I'm not ready to go.
No, we cannot keep matter too long for. Charge has to. Case was committed when this
On
court.
the
No,
21.
this was filed before this court.
Oh.
Charge sheet was filed before this court.
Directly.
21/11/25.
Directly before this court. Why? UAP.
This is a session case. UAP case.
UAP.
Yes, yes.
UAP case and the explosive substance acts also, Your Honor.
When do we receive charge sheet?
Filed on 21/11/25.
No. Charge has to be within 2 months. You want to be heard, we'll hear it.
Okay, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll take it up sometime. Yes. Is POX
I'll be following the position
deposition of
of the white petitioner
what's the amount?
41 lakh 59,043 rupees.
Who is the applicant?
The wife of the deceased.
Any evidence that she's the wife?
From the birth certificate, the marriage have not solemnized, but through the birth certificate of the children, Your Honor.
Marriage was never solemnized.
No, Your Honor. But they cohabited since the year 1998.
In the service record, whose name is there?
Or it was the wife.
In the service record.
Yes.
Where was the husband working?
In the office of the executive engineer, Pilgrim Road.
So in the service record, who is shown as the wife of the deceased?
Yes, sir.
You have filed along with the application?
Yes, sir.
Which page?
Page 12, annexure 5, Your Honor. Page 12 and 13.
Where does it shows that you are the wife?
It was addressed. It was addressed to the wife. Sri Maya Lang is the wife of the deceased.
But there has to be something to show that she is the wife. How can we release such a big amount, 41 lakhs to a lady when there is no evidence to show that she is the wife?
And from the annexure 4 also, this is the
What is that?
document from the headman, Your Honor. This certified that Champang Kama, son of late Rasambok Kama, and husband of Maya Lang Suchiang.
Wife.
And even in the death certificate also, Your Honor, you mentioned here the wife is Maya Lang Suchiang, Your Honor.
Where is she?
She's here, Your Honor.
How many children she has?
4 children, Your Honor.
Huh?
4 children.
All they are grown up?
One is the minor, and 3 is major, Your Honor. Even,
They are here, the children?
2 they are here, Your Honor. And the other 2 is in Shillong, study in Shillong.
Husband was working as what?
As the junior engineer, Your Honor. Junior engineer.
How he died?
Illness, Your Honor.
When?
On the 22nd September 2025. This is the certificate original, Your Honor.
She's drawing the pension?
Your Honor?
Is she drawing the pension of her husband?
Tidak pension di rumah. Tidak pension di rumah. For now, not yet, Your Honor. She haven't got a
Who
pension.
is the nominee in the service record? If we grant succession to her, and somebody else is shown as the successor in the service record, that will create a serious problem.
In the service books, you mentioned it was in her and her daughter, youngest daughter,
How old is the daughter?
16 years. Your Honor.
Where is the affidavit filed by the children?
Yeah.
She's filed.
Yes, sir. The one is the mechanic.
How were they married?
You know?
How were they married?
They just cohabited, Your Honor.
Huh?
They just cohabited as husband and wife. And their marriage haven't solemnized.
Marriage not solemnized. What is DCRG? What does DCRG stands for? Para 7. Para 7 of the affidavit.
DCRG. This DCRG according to the mention by the office, Your Honor.
What does
In the-
DCRG stands for? How much is this DCRG? How much is the leaf encashment? How much is GPL?
They don't mention particular, Your Honor. They just give in by this, Your Honor, in full amount. No particular, Your Honor. They just give a
What was
total
the age of the husband when he died?
amount. 53. 53 years old, Your Honor.
You admit that you are not wife.
I'm the wife, Your Honor.
See para 4 of the affidavit.
That I cohabitation as husband and wife.
I have cohabited with the deceased as husband and wife, not husband and wife. I have cohabited with so and so as husband and
Wife.
husband and wife
As husband and wife, Your Honor.
since
Yeah.
1998.
Yes, Your Honor.
When was the first child born?
In the year 2000, Your Honor. 17/7/2000.
When?
17/7/2000.
Second?
Second, 21/11/2001.
Third?
25 May 2005.
Fourth?
11/12/2008. 12/11/2008.
What about the two sons who is 25 years and 23 years?
Yeah, Your Honor.
Call them. What is your name?
Yumanisan Suciao.
Your mother's name?
Mayalang Suciao.
Your father's name?
Champang Kama.
You're working somewhere?
No, I'm self-employed.
Second one? What's your name?
Prohibitions Suciao.
Your father's name?
Champang Kama.
Mother's name?
Meghalaya Suciao.
You stay with whom?
Sa, with my mom,
What are you doing?
unemployed.
And where is Kevin Kama?
Studying in Shillong, Your Honor.
Where?
In high school. Shillong Commerce, Your Honor.
Stay with whom?
East of Shillong. Rent house, Your Honor. Rented house with a relative.
Elfrida Suchiam?
She's admitted in hospital, Your Honor,
What happened?
due to some in the head problem.
These two boys stay with whom?
Oh, Mama.
With her mother, Your Honor. With her.
Your father was working where?
On PWD
As what?
as a JE.
When did he die?
Pardon?
When did he die?
On the 22nd of September.
How?
I think it's cardiac arrest or something.
But you say that he died of prolonged illness.
Pardon?
Yes, due to illness also, Your Honor.
You say cardiac arrest.
But he already has illness from before. So that time I was not home, but when I reached, someone like told me that that's how he died. So that's all I know.
Do you know that your father had left some money?
No, I really don't know.
Do you know that when your father died, he left some money in the office where he was working?
Was out in office, no?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Do you know how much money your father left behind?
Let's see.
Does he know? Both of them, they know that their father left some money?
Tapi utawa mudaan ko po sa empatnya office.
Do they know? These two they know.
Yeah, no, no.
How much? Huh?
1 lakh.
How much?
1 lakh.
This one? You know?
41 lakhs.
You want that money? You want that money?
Yes.
You want the money should go to your mother or you want to take it?
No, we can go give.
You can go to her.
Huh?
You can go to my own mother.
Why?
Because she's the one. She's the one who's taking care of us and also the home and also with the loan and everything. So.
When was this petition filed?
On the 12th of February.
Mother's working somewhere?
Just JDC.
As what? What is that?
You must say.
The petitioner is working via as a police court by way of an application under section 372 of the Indian Succession Act 1925. Is there a claim for grant of succession certificate? Qua debts and securities left behind by her deceased husband, Champang Kama. On first motion, this court was pleased to issue a notice on the interested person by the order dated 12/2/2026 and fixed today for filing objection if any. This notice was placed before the,
Yes,
but somebody has to give a report,
in the notice.
Yes, but then somebody has to give a report here in the notice that it was put in the notice for a month. Report has to be there, not just take out from the notice board and put it here. Somebody has to give a report here. Where?
No, the only attaching.
That notice has to come back to the court. It has to come here with a report. That one just please place in the file. The notice, the general notice is placed before the court. Stop. General notice is placed before this court, comma. Peruse the notice. The notice was placed The notice was affixed in the notice board of the court for a period of 1 month. Seen the report on the notice. His daughter also has filed affidavit.
No, Your Honor.
Why? She's major.
She's still minor.
17. Daughter 17.
16 or 17.
Yes. Daughter has not filed affidavit. PW1 is the mother.
Mother.
Number 2 is
The eldest son.
the 3.
The 3 is the second son.
4.
The third son.
Where are the originals? The petitioner has pleaded in the petition, has pleaded in the application that she is a she's what, Panar?
Yes, sir.
How I know she's Panar?
She's not, Your Honor.
How?
Huh?
Yes? One second. Yes.
She's Panar, and from her clan also is Panar, Your Honor.
Sorry?
Her clan also is Panar.
How will I know? Where have you stated that she's Panar? Have you made any statement anywhere that you are Panar?
No, Your Honor.
In an application, have you made any statement that you are Panar?
No, Your Honor.
In your affidavit or in your application? You have simply stated that you are resident of Latharabo. The petitioner has pleaded in the application that she is a resident of Latharabo, Juwai. West Jaintia Hill. What's the difficulty in saying para 3? What is the difficulty in saying that the deceased was your husband? What is the difficulty in saying that the deceased was husband? Rather than saying that cohabiting and all? What does it mean cohabiting? If you are staying together like husband and wife, you are husband and wife, that's all. Why do we say that they were cohabiting? Diluting the marriage. Why do you say that the petitioner and the deceased had cohabited as husband and wife? If they were husband and wife, they were husband and wife. The deceased was the husband. Why do we say that they were cohabited? They were staying together, in spite of not being husband and wife. That is the impression which the court gets. Anybody disputing that you are husband and wife?
No.
Then why do you say they were cohabiting? Would that-
The petitioner has pleaded in the application that she is a resident of Lakhalpa, Jowan, West Jaintia.
And she's the wife of late Champang Kima. Champang Kama.
Come on.
The husband of the petitioner. During the husband of the petitioner applicant, during his lifetime, was serving as a junior engineer at PWD Roads, Joy Central Division. Full stop. The husband of the petitioner died on 22nd September 2025 at Norman Tunnel Hospital, Joy. Full stop. The petitioner has stated that her husband died and leaving behind don't write the applicant, no, leaving behind the applicant bracket wife and the following legal heirs. Para 6. To succeed his debt and sureties. To succeed, the debt and sureties are left behind by him. The petitioner has also pleaded. Next paragraph. The applicant has also pleaded that her deceased husband, name Champang Kama, died intestate and did not leave behind any testamentary documents. As such, upon his death, the debt and sureties shall devolve upon the petitioner as per the customary law. What is the customary law?
The customary law, when the
Wife gets. As per the customary law, the wife gets the
yes,
property,
yes.
not the children.
When after the wife passed, then the youngest daughter.
Father's property will be succeeded by the wife.
By the wife, yes.
What about the children?
The children will succeed after when the mother died, the youngest daughter.
As per the customary law. The petitioner, the applicant has also filed an affidavit confirming. No, first one, sir. As per the customary law, full stop. Next paragraph. The petitioner, the applicant has stated in the application that her deceased husband who was serving as a junior engineer in the Office of Executive Engineer PWD, Roads Joy, after his demise, has left behind the debt and sureties to be succeeded by the legal heirs as hereunder, para 6. No, not para 6, sorry. Para 5. The petitioner, as PW1, has filed her deposition. The eldest son, Yumanli son. The petitioner, Yumanli son. No, sorry, the eldest son, Yumanli son, Suchiang, has filed his deposition as PW2. The second son,
Rivan's son.
Kevin Kumar.
No, the second son is Rivan's son.
Rivenson Suchiang has filed his deposition as PW3. Who is PW4?
The third son, Kevin Kumar.
The third son, Kevin Kumar Suchiang, has filed his deposition as PW4. The remaining two children,
One.
the remaining the daughter, the youngest daughter, is aged about 17 years, bracket minor. The EPIC card of the applicant is exhibited as Exhibit 1. The death certificate of her husband, late Chimpang Kama, is exhibited as Exhibit 2. Communication dated 12/1/2026 by the Executive Engineer PWD Roads is exhibited as Exhibit 3. EPIC card of Yomanli son Suchiang is exhibited as Exhibit 4. It will be 4, huh? Birth certificate of Yomanli son Suchiang is exhibited as Exhibit 5. EPIC card of Robinson Suchiang is exhibited as Exhibit 6. Birth certificate of Robinson Suchiang is exhibited as Exhibit 7. EPIC's card of Kevin Kama Suchiang is exhibited as Exhibit 8. Birth certificate of Kevin Kama Suchiang is exhibited as Exhibit 9. Where is the certificate that she stays in Lathalbo?
Oh, it's there, Your Honor. Residential.
In the affidavit you have not annexed.
Oh, no, Your Honor.
Then
In the main petition, page 9, Your Honor.
no, she's filed the affidavit, na?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then
Next to page 9.
the residential certificate issued by the Lathalabo Dorbarsnong confirming that the applicant is a resident of Lathalabo is exhibited as Exhibit 10. Where is the birth certificate of the daughter?
Daughter is there.
Where is the photocopy? Which paragraph they say that they have no objection in the
Yes, sir.
which paragraph?
7, Your Honor.
The legal heirs, children, the
Para
legal
7.
heirs, children, PW 2, 3, 4. Don't rewrite. The verse we say PW 2. Don't rewrite where 10 majority. Has filed the deposition affidavit and has stated which paragraph?
Yes, para 7, Your Honor.
And has stated in para, all of them in para 7.
Yes.
And has stated in para 7 that they have no objection if succession certificate is granted to the applicant who is their mother. The statement is supported with a certificate duly signed by PW 1, 2 and 3 and Annexure 6 of the application. Full stop. Next paragraph. After going through the material on record, and on examining the pleading of the applicant, this court finds that the applicant that although the applicant has not produced any certificate of marriage, nevertheless there are sufficient material on record to show that the applicant is the wife of late Champang Kama, who was serving as a junior engineer, PWD Roads, Joy, Central Joy, what is that?
Central Division. Joy Central Division.
Joy Central Division. Full stop. The statement that the applicant was staying along with a deceased Champang Kama as his wife since 1998.
1998. 1998.
Finds corroboration with the birth certificates of the children and further the statement of PW 234 on affidavit clearly establishes that the applicant is the mother and deceased Champang Kama was the father. Of PW 2, 3 and 4. The certificate issued by the Darbar Snom, Mathala Board, exhibit so This court finds no good reasons to disbelieve that the applicant is the wife of late Champankama, who died on when? 22nd September
2025.
2025. The death is established. The death of the husband is established while the exhibit, death certificate exhibit.
2.
Exhibit 2. The other legal heirs. Bracket children has given their has advanced there no objection to grant of succession certificate qua debt and sureties left behind by the deceased father to their mother, bracket applicant. The applicant resides within the jurisdiction of this court. As such, this court has the jurisdiction to entertain this application and pass appropriate order. There is no impediment under section 370 of the Indian Succession Act to consider the prayer of the applicant. Full stop. Next paragraph. The applicant, Srimati, what's her name?
Mayalang Sucian.
Applicant Srimati Mayalang Sucian, wife of late
Champankama.
Champankama, is allowed to collect the debt and sureties left behind by her deceased husband, bracket neither down the name, along with which is husband, which is described more specifically in the schedule herein below. Comma, along with all interest and dividend which is accrued till date, which is accrued, don't write till date, which is accrued, are subject to payment of admissible court fees. This application stands allowed, uncontested, and disposed of. Yes.
Much like you did now.
Reward card.
You know, I'm not really for American. I prefer 10 and 3 weeks, you know.
Huh?
I prefer 10 to for 3 weeks, you know.
3 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Then a counsel for the claimant, Sri P. Pide, submits that he is not ready with the written argument and prays for further time to file the written argument. Pray aloud.
Okay.
Fix for filing written argument. You file it, otherwise we start writing the argument.
Okay.
But give me soft copy also.
Yes.
Yes.
For the witness, witness.
Yes, yes. We had one CC, na?
Yes.
Yes, see, let's see. Let's see, the CC will clarify. What's that?
121, 121A IPC, UAP 10 and 13, Explosive Act 4 and 5.
Charge sheet against the accused Rakesh Lambare. Who is Rakesh Lambare?
Rakesh.
Charge sheet against him filed under which section?
Yes, Your Honor.
Against Rakesh under what section?
He is also under section 121A IPC, section 10, 13 UAP, and also along with explosive.
What is the evidence under 121? Against all three of them?
Yes,
Same
safe,
sections?
Safe and except the, no, one is under
One is under section 4 and 5 of Explosive Substance Acts.
Who is under 4 and 5?
It's Bill Bahadur, Your Honor.
He is the one who has procured the gelatin stick.
Prosecution sanction?
Yes, it's there.
Give it back. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes.
This is the case where the complainant, on receiving source information about accused Debarson Suyam planting the IED improvisative device unit, primary and clear. To this source information, the investigation has been carried out, and in the course of investigation, this accused person, Rakesh Lambare, then Debarson Suyam, along with Dil Bahadur, they were arrested. In the course of investigation, the police has unearthed these and recovered also gelatin sticks at Primer.
From whose possession it was recovered?
It was already planted in the area where it was kept in the open space. After it was planted, it was learned that it was kept along with a pile of garbage. So the trucks which has carried the garbage from that place where it was dumped, it was again recovered. Only few sticks were recovered because most of them has been burned. It seems suspected to be have been burned.
Burned by whom?
Because it's recovered from the dumping area, where the waste from the
gelatin. What is the explosive recovered? Gelatin.
Gelatin, yes.
From where?
From Muthlang. Muthlang village in the primary area.
All right.
So, in the course of investigation, one witness has been, statement has been recorded also under 164. by merit. I had, in the month of January, I had given my phone number to Shri Barsan, whose surname I cannot remember, as he had asked for it. And on Wednesday this week only, Barsan called me at around 5:15 p.m. and he asked me whether I am free to go and drop into Clearet. Then I asked Barsan how many of them were there, and he told me that he was alone, but he had something that he had to carry. So there I asked him what kind of things was he carrying, and he replied that it was some blasting materials, and there I told him since it's illegal thing, I cannot drop him, and that he can search for another vehicle. This is the witness who had lead to the court of investigation, Your Honor.
So they might be using this gelatin for blasting those coal mines.
No, the thing is they have not in coal mine area, Your Honor. They have been planted in Pramer.
Pramer where?
In some secluded area, in open space.
Where seizure made by police or being led by them?
He led to that place where he planted it, but on leading to that place.
What is that place he planted?
Recovery was not made, Your Honor.
No, where is the place he planted the gelatin?
At La Changpung, it's only written at La Changpung, near a footpath. It was he who had led to the place where he was about to recover, but on learning that the dump truck has picked up the place along with that, they proceeded towards that place where the waste. From there was recovered, only 3 sticks were recovered from there.
He led.
No, the Dorbarshnong then informed the police that garbage has been taken away by the dump truck. So they went proceeded to that place. He led one particular place in Pramer. From there, Dorbarshnong said this place has been cleaned up. So they proceeded towards.
Where did he plant there?
The motive, the blast, carry out a blast.
From where did he get?
From the accused who was charged in the explosive act.
Where did he get?
He, as per the investigation, was revealed that he was used to sell it.
He's a retired army person?
Yes, no, he is a retired shot fire in the PWD, Honor. Shot firer in the PWD roads.
Okay.
He used to work there, so he is acquainted with these kind of materials because he's a
from where he used to get gelatin?
Procurement has not been revealed.
कहाँ से मिलता है आपको gelatin? You are resisting to the framing of charge?
Sorry, Your Honor.
You are resisting to the framing of charge?
Yes, Your Honor, I agree, Your Honor.
Okay. कहाँ से मिलता है आपको gelatin कहाँ से मिलता है आपको? हाँ? हाँ? gelatin समझता है आप ना? कहाँ से मिलता है आपको? आपके पास लाइसेंस है?
Yes, at that point of time he's retired.
अब तो रिटायर हो गया था?
रिटायर हो गया था, अभी लाइसेंस भी रिन्यू नहीं करा है। लाइसेंस है, रिन्यू नहीं करा।
ये जिलेटिन जो मिला था, आपका तक जिलेटिन है?
नहीं है, अभी पहला था।
किसको दिया?
नहीं दिया सर, हम तो खाली गवर्नमेंट को दिया है।
हाँ?
गवर्नमेंट को, पीडब्ल्यूडी को दिया, इधर से मैगजीन से लेके पीडब्ल्यूडी को दिया।
कब रिटायर हुआ?
21 में।
21 मई?
हाँ।
कौन साल?
2021।
2021.
And seizure was made?
This case is 2022.
नहीं, जिलेटिन कहाँ से मिला आपको?
मैगजीन है, गवर्नमेंट का मैगजीन है।
हाँ में?
8 महीने में। वो जस्ती बिक्री करते हैं लाइसेंस से।
कौन बिक्री करता है?
मालिक है लाखों रुपया।
हाँ?
लाखों रुपया एक मालिक है।
क्या नाम?
बिक्री करा।
हाँ?
बिक्री रखा। बिक्री रखा।
Beri Dakar.
British Dakar. British Dakar.
कहाँ है उसका वो?
So one.
हाँ.
जो है. वो जंगल में मैगजीन.
हाँ?
जंगल में है मैगजीन.
सरकारी है?
हाँ सरकारी है. नहीं सरकार मालिक का है. लाइसेंस वाला है वो भी.
आप वहाँ से लेता है?
हाँ वहाँ से हमें भी लाइसेंस है तो वहाँ से लेते हैं.
किसको देता है लेके आप?
लेके पीडब्ल्यूडी का कंट्रैक्ट देता है.
हाँ?
पीडब्ल्यूडी कंट्रैक्ट.
क्या के लिए?
ये रास्ते के लिए ब्लॉक के लिए.
हाँ?
रास्ता के लिए पत्थर टूटने के लिए.
किसको दिया आप?
नहीं दिया. नहीं कहाँ से मिला?
हम्म?
नहीं दिया हम उसको.
तो पुलिस किस लिए पकड़ा आपको?
हमको तो खाली बोला दिया. हमको रास्ते नहीं पकड़ा. उसको बोला हमसे दिया बोला कि हम नहीं दिया बोला. ये दोनों है लेके इन लोगों का कहाँ फटा है कि जाने.
हाँ?
इन दोनों लेके गया. कहाँ से लेके गया हमसे नहीं. मेरे साथ नहीं गया सर.
Rokesh Lamare. Has Villa blasting ये जिलेटिन? Call this person. Call.
The recovery was being led by the Barson Suyam.
He's not charged.
Sachited, he's here.
Yes. Civil authorities here by charged. ये जिलेटिन कहाँ से मिला बोला? क्या नाम है?
दिल्ली के खा.
अब पुलिस को बताया?
बताया. पुलिस भी गया एक साथ. मैगजीन में लोग लाइसेंस से दिया. हम ही लाइसेंस से दिया. रास्ता के लिए पीडब्ल्यूडी का.
बट ओके ठीक है. What is the sanction?
Sanction is it's for two accused Sri Rokesh Lamare and Barsan Suyam. The sanction has been accorded by Commissioner and Secretary Government of Meghalaya Home Police Department. And for two accused, Rokesh and Barsan Suyam. And for this accused person who has procured the gelatin sticks, the sanction has been accorded under Section 7 of the Explosive Act by our DC West Jaintia.
No, sanctions under the UAP Act Section 13, you don't require section. 10-13.
But then, even then, the sanction is there.
And this Explosive Act. No.
The sanction is required, Section 45.
Under Chapter 3 by the central government.
Yes, it should be central.
No court shall take cognizance of any offence under Chapter 3 without the previous sanction of the central government or any officer authorized by the central government on this behalf. So Section 13 and 10 falls under Chapter 3.
3 years.
Then it has to be central government.
Or any officer authorized by the central government.
So are they authorized?
As they have issued, must be, they have to. That will come up during evidence.
Under Chapter 4 and 5 without the previous sanction of the central government. Now they were assisting whom?
Assisting by the accused.
Now which ban outfit?
HNLC.
What is the evidence?
Evidence is that there is no recovery to show that they are part of the ban outfit, but as per a statement recorded by the police under 161 of the accused, he had made a statement before the police that he is part of the ban outfit HNLC, the Barson Suya. And Rakesh Lamare assisted him.
Yes. Yes. What do you have? Say. Is it exclusive act?
Please, Your Honor. Your Honor, I'm appealing for the accused person Rakesh Lamare and Bir Bahadur Thapa. Your Honor, for Rakesh
Only for two?
Lamare. Yes, Your Honor.
Who's for the third one? Are they?
I'm representing them. Your Honor, for the Rakesh Lamare, he was charged under Section 121A IPC 10/13 Unlawful Activities Prevention Act and Section 4 and 5 of the Explosive Substance Act, Your Honor. Your Honor, if we look at the materials on record, Your Honor, there is nothing as such that the accused has assessed or possessed any of this explosive substance, Your Honor. Even, Your Honor, if we look in the witness, in the statement of the witness, The accused was never, when mentioned or related to any of this case. The accused was only arrested when he was taking his child for medicine, for to visit a doctor. The Rokes, Rokes Lamare. I have no knowledge, that the police arrest him, and he was neither the members of the NHLC, And you also know, there is no evidence which stated that the accused has assessed the regarding the attempt to cause any explosion, to cause any have any intention to endanger the life or the property, Your Honor. And you also, the properties, which was seized, the Nickelodeon 90 Gallatin stake, Your Honor.
How many?
Two, Your Honor. It was not seized, Your Honor, from the accused person Rokes Lamare. However, it was seized from the dumping site, Your Honor, premier village, Your Honor. And also, Your Honor, there is nothing was seized from the accused person, Your Honor, regarding any of this explosive substance, Your Honor. The accused was only, Your Honor, alleged on the suspicion, Your Honor, without any evidence to show that he was a member of the NHLC and he have this intention to cause any endangered life, Your Honor. And also, Your Honor, also, Your Honor, if we look at the section which was charged under section 121, Your Honor, 121A of the Indian Evidence Act, Your Honor. If I may allow to read, Your Honor. Conspiracy to commit offence punishable by section 121. Whoever within or without India conspire to commit any of the offence.
Which section are you reading?
121A, Your Honor.
Right.
IPC. Within or without in India conspire to commit any of the offence punishable by section 121 or conspire to overawe by means of criminal force or the show of criminal force, the central government or any state government shall be punished with imprisonment for life or with imprisonment of either description which may extend to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine. Your Honor, in the definition of the under the section 121, Your Honor, which is waging or attempting to wage war or abetting waging of war against the government of India. Your Honor, this is just a business, Your Honor, they just
to prosecute under section 121, sanction is required.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. He was sanctioned. It was under section 196, Your Honor, of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Prosecution for offence against the state and for criminal conspiracy to commit such offence. Number 1, no court shall take cognizance of any offence punishable under chapter 6 or under section 153A, section 295A or subsection 1 of section 505 of the Indian Penal Code, or a criminal conspiracy to commit such offence or any such abetment as is described in section 108A of the Indian Penal Code, except with the previous sanction of the central government or the state government.
Your Honor, I would just clarify on this. Maybe the learned counsel has oversaw. Now, the sanction has been accorded in accordance with Section 196 also.
Where is the sanction?
In the last paragraph of sanction, it is read as, now therefore the state government do hereby accord sanction under subsection 1 of section 196 CRPC 1973 and clause 1 of subsection 1 of section 45 of UAPA.
Look where to see the sanction order.
This is sanction order number HPL 15925. Exhibit.
Where's the original copy? Sanction order. Where is that explosive act? Huh? What is this? So much? Yes. Yes.
Your Honor, the accused was only alleged in this case, Your Honor. There was nothing that he was a member of this band organization, Your Honor, or any communication meeting with any with this organization, Your Honor. Therefore, there was no prima facie case against the accused person Rakesh Lamre, Your Honor. Therefore, Your Honor, I pray, Your Honor, that the accused person Rakesh Lamre be discharged, Your Honor, from this case, Your Honor. And Your Honor, for the other accused, Bir Bahadur Tapa, Your Honor, he was charged under section 4 and 5 of the Explosive Substance Act, Your Honor. Your Honor, if we look at the act, Your Honor, if Your Honor may be allowed to read, Your Honor.
1 second. Now, prosecution sanction for the two accused persons,
Yes, sir.
Rakesh Lamare and Debar Suyam, under section 4 and 5.
No, this is according to 4 and 5 for all the accused. 1, 2, and this is there is the sanction, you know, the
See the sanction order. I am satisfied the prima facie case under section 4 and 5 of Explosive Substance Act drawn against the accused Shri Rakesh Lamare,
yes,
son of Bin Lindo, Ralyang village, PS Joy, West Jaintia Hill district, and Shri Debarsan Suyam.
yes, sir.
Where is the sanction for this Bir Bahadur?
It's there.
Where?
This is order dated 12/11/25.
21/7/2025.
This is for two accused, Rakesh Lamare and Barsan. The other sanction for the other accused is order dated 12/11/25. There are two sanctions under explosive act.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Your Honor, the other accused, Bahadur, was charged under Section 4 and 5 of the Explosive Act, Your Honor. Your Honor, under Section 4, it reads that, if Your Honor allowed, I will read Section 4 of the Explosive Substance Act. Punishment for attempt to cause explosion or for making or keeping explosive with intent to endanger life or property. Any person who unlawfully and maliciously does any act with intent to cause by an explosive substance or special category explosive substance or conspires to cause by an explosive substance or special category explosive substance and explosion of a nature likely to endanger life or cause serious injury to property or make or has in his possession or under his control any explosive substance or special category explosive substance with intent by means thereof to endanger life or cause serious injury to property or to enable any other person by means thereof to endanger life or cause serious injury to property in India shall whether any explosion does or does not take place and whether an injury to person or property has been actually caused or not be punished in the case of any explosive substance with imprisonment for life or with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine. In the case of any special category explosive substance with rigorous imprisonment for life or with rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 10 years.
1 minute. Where is this order, our order for accepting the charge sheet? Is the order? The charge sheet. Who is the informant in this case?
NPS.
Additional SP, no additional SP. Sealing dog.
Who is the IO? Yeah.
There are two IO in this case. First one is K. White, and then the IO charge sheeted is J. Khaim.
Who is the officer who investigates the offence under the Explosive Substance Act? What is the rank of the officer should investigate?
Your Honor.
What should be the rank of an officer who is authorized to investigate an offence under the Explosive Substance Act? Get me the act now. What's this nonsense? We don't have act, Explosive Act. Get this book. I don't want to read this book. It's a horrible book. Get me some other barrack. Tell these boys they'll get it. Get me. What should be the rank of an officer who will investigate an offence under the Explosive Substance Act? He's been charged under the Explosive Substance Act or Explosive Act?
Explosive Substance Act, Your Honor.
Get a barrack law. What's the problem? You don't have barrack law. Anybody can investigate?
Yes, there's no bar in this. Unlike the Explosive Substance Act 1884, there is a bar in this.
That's what I asked. It is what is the difference between Explosive Substance Act and Explosive Act?
Under section 2A, Your Honor, the expression explosive substance shall be deemed to include any materials for making any explosive substance, also any apparatus, machine, implement, or material used or intended to be used or adapted for causing or aiding in causing any explosion in or with any explosive substance, also any part of any such apparatus, machine, or implement. However, Your Honor, in this case, Your Honor, there was nothing, Your Honor, any materials which was seized by the officer, Your Honor, from the accused that he possessing any explosive, Your Honor.
Under the Explosive Act, where does it prescribe that it should be in?
There is no prescription for any rank. No?
Huh?
There is no prescription.
Under the Explosive Act.
Explosive substance. This 1884. No?
Yes.
There also there's no mention. No? It is above rank of SI only.
See, come to last paragraph of the page 10 of the charge sheet.
Yes, sir.
During the course of investigation, it was revealed that the statement of Shri Bir Bahadur Thapa, son of late Dhani Ram Thapa, resident of Raliang, West Jaintia Hill district, that although he was retired government servant and formerly employed as a shot firer under the Public Work Department, PWD Government of Meghalaya, he had been selling explosive substance, gelatin sticks and detonator to private individual without possessing any valid license or authority issued under the Explosive Act 1884 or the Explosive Substance Rules.
Yes.
So he's a person needs to be charged under the Explosive Act.
Because he's a person who is procuring the illegal gelatin stick. Yeah.
All right, but then he has been selling without license. License है तुम्हारा? कहाँ है?
It's an expired license. Yeah.
Oh, baby, having an invalid license is one thing, and not having a license is another thing.
He has a license at that point of time when he's employed. Maybe that also.
Had been selling substance, gelatin sticks and detonator to private individual without possessing valid license or authority issued under the Explosive Act 1884.
Because licenses are issued under Section 6 of Explosives Act 1884.
Yes.
And the license, I don't know, because it's never seized whether he has or not. Also, we don't know.
License है तुम्हारा? पुलिस को दिया नहीं है? कहाँ है?
Never seized.
In the record, it was not seized.
He should be booked under the Explosive Act or Explosive Substance Act?
For Explosive Act 1884 for not having license.
Yeah.
But for procuring, he is booked and he should be booked under Explosive Act. The starking differences in these two acts is that the 1884 Act is only for regulation, prevention of manufacturing and and handling. But the 1908 Act it has been made solely for the purpose of penal provision, procuring all these gelatin.
See, 5A of the Explosive Act says person already in business in respect of certain explosive to carry on such a business without license for such period. So if he's already in business but he's carrying out the business without license.
That is what I'm saying, that the license, we don't know whether he has it or not.
He has. Refusal of license.
After retirement, maybe the license was never renewed, never
Whatever
approached.
Whatever maybe, he was into business. You admit. Look at your statement. Here in chart sheet. Look at the chart sheet.
The content of the license, maybe he is a shot
No, we
firer.
are not going by anything, but your statement. Yayu himself, he does not know. He has been selling explosive substance.
Yes.
gelatin sticks and detonators to private individual without possessing any license or authority issued under the Explosive Act 1884.
It's never said without any license, without possessing any valid license.
Yes.
So he doesn't have a valid license.
License under the Act 1884. Yes. So, or explosive substance rules. So he's talking about that act. And charge sheet file under.
This license is issued in 1884.
Yes.
And the Act under 19808.
So he finds that he's committed offence. He found that he's committed offence under the Explosive Act 1884. It's IO is saying, and the rules, explosive substance rules. How can there be an explosive act will have explosive substance rules? You'll have explosive act rules. Explosive, he himself, the IO himself says that. And then he goes on saying that then the prosecution may initiate against them under section 4 and 5 Explosive Substance Act. When he finds that he is committed an offence of selling explosive substance has been defined.
Yes.
He finds that the explosive substance.
You know why he has been charged under section 4 of 1908 is that he has in his possession or under his control any explosive substance. So he is.
What was recovered from his possession?
Through investigation, it was revealed that he is the person who has given the stick.
Selling. It is not like recovered from his possession illegally. It is your statement in the charge sheet. See, in your statement that he has been selling explosive, not that it was found from his possession. He has been selling explosive gelatin sticks detonator to private individual without possessing any valid license or authority issued under the Explosive Act. This is your case. You are saying that after investigating the matter. After investigating the matter, you are saying so. And then later on, he concludes his investigation by saying that you have a charge sheet in section 4 and 5 of the Explosive Substance Act. During investigation, you find that he is selling gelatin without valid license, and he has the history of being into the business.
He is an employee of PWD as a shot firer.
Yes, retired.
Shot firer means the person who is handling the gelatin sticks. Not that it's not that he is the government has engaged him or anything as sort that he is entitled to for sale. You know. There is no evidence to show that he has license for sale. He has a license. License for shot firer, maybe shot firer, because whenever any blast is required for any stone quarry or anything as such.
See, he has been selling explosive substance.
He's selling it illegally, He's selling it illegally.
From where?
He does not have a license as a person who is allowed to sell these gelatin sticks.
To private individuals. Alright?
Yes.
And it is nowhere says that.
I understand what this honor.
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor, he is employed as a shot firer.
Yes.
The license is to handle, not sell. A shot firer is a person who is supposed to, for any blast in any road construction and such.
Yes.
So to handle these gelatin sticks, we require an expert. So he's a shot firer. He's the person who.
From where he gets?
At that point of time, he was working with the government. The government will provide, because he is the person who is supposed to shut the blast in any.
But he is to supply to the contractors.
That is illegal.
No. If the contractors, if they have to carry out a blast.
He is only a shot firer.
Yes.
He has a license maybe to trigger the blast, but not the sale.
But from where he get those explosives?
That is subject to the.
No, there is a private person having a license.
Private person having license, there are many.
So he's to buy from them.
Buy from them. Buy and sell it legally maybe, because he is an expert in blasting.
So that is why if he is a person, he is buying and selling gelatins.
Yes.
That means he is doing it without having license. Yes. To carry out this business of selling, he requires a license under the Explosive Act.
Yes.
So he was carrying out the business. It is just like driving a vehicle without permit or driving a vehicle without license.
Yes.
Alright. So he can be booked under the MB Act. So if he is selling if he's selling explosive without license, then he can be booked under Explosive Act. But if he's using this explosive as a bomb, as an ED, as an explosive for some terrorist purpose, then explosive substance.
Then his bomb is being used for that.
His role is limited. His role is limited to sell. It is not that he is in connivance with the ban outfit. He is selling those gelatin to be used as an explosive, as a bomb. He has been selling without license. That's all. I'm not saying that your investigation says. Why they make a mention of Explosive Act 1884 in the charge sheet?
Licenses, the reason why they mention is that possessing any valid license authority which is issued, normally
During
licenses are issued under 1884 Act.
Yes, he is carrying out the business of selling explosive without license, and which is an offence under the Explosive Act. That's what you say. Issued under the
They mention here Explosive Acts to show that he does not possess license.
If a person sells an explosive without license, it is an offence under the Act.
That's illegal.
Yes, it's illegal under this Act.
Yes.
So when does the explosive, what's the difference between explosive and explosive substance?
These are two acts, one is the 1884 Act is enacted for regulation of the...
Yes, it is for manufacture, possess, use, sale, transport, import and export of explosive.
But
the gelatin is an explosive, as defined under the Explosive Act. So he is involved in sale.
And the other act is for imposing penal provision.
This also is provision.
But
And 9B prescribe the punishment. 9A prescribes the punishment under the Explosive Act. 9A prescribes the punishment, see.
9B.
9B. So where is his role? Where is his role in the punishment? Where is his role in endangering life or property?
Just through him, these gelatin sticks have been procured.
His role is only he sold the explosive without. So in order to sell an explosive without having license is an offence under the Explosive Act. You say in your investigation. And from
the investigation says here that he does not have a valid license in accordance with Explosive Act.
So that is an offence.
Yes, that's also no.
Under 9B.
Yes, yes.
So if now where is the evidence?
Added then, 9B here.
No, now how can 9B and how can a 9B be added with Section 4? Where is the evidence that this explosive was sold for the purpose of causing endangering to the life and property? Where? Where is the evidence to show that he knew that this gelatin is going to be used as ED?
There is no evidence.
Then? From where? From where? A person cannot be booked.
As per evidence, the explosive have been purchased by Rakesh Lamare.
From him. Yes. So the Rakesh Lamare, he also says that he sold it to.
And gave it to this
Dibarsan. And he claims that he was in touch with all his statement under 164. What will do with the statement of the accused? Unless it is not under 164. But so far as this one booked under Section 4 and 5, I'm not very convinced that Explosive Substance Act 1908 and Explosive Act 1884 can be used together. Those both are stands on different footing. Once you find an investigation that look here, you are sending an explosive for the purpose of endangering life. That's all. It's not a sale. It is not a sale. It is the entire activity is unlawful. It's an act for the purpose of, he is selling for what purpose? If he does not know what the purpose of selling, but he is selling and earning money, then in that case he can be booked under the Explosive Act. But if he is selling knowing fully that these explosive is going to be used as a bomb, as ED, then yes, he can be booked under the Explosive Substance.
I concede to that.
Then there is no evidence on this. And you yourself, you say in your charge sheet. And where is the prayer for the IO? Because in the charge sheet we see he has prayed for, in the charge sheet he prayed for discharge of the 2 accused persons. Blasting Lamare.
These have been discharged. Blessing Lamare and fasting Lamare. They are made witnesses.
Blessing Lamare. Now, can a person who is an accused be made a witness without the permission of the court?
It has to be in accordance with 306. Pardon.
No, during investigation, it's not a question of pardoning them. During the investigation, they found that these persons were not involved.
Not involved, yes.
So they are a very important prosecution witness. So now they are an accused. So now these accused persons, can they be made a witness without the permission of the court? They were initially made an accused. Where is the prayer for discharging this accused and allowing them to come as a witness? Where is that prayer?
There is no prayer.
Okay. I've gone through that prayer because there is no prayer.
No prayer. Safe and accept prayer for recording statement number 164.
And the DC also has granted permission under the Explosive Substance Act 1908. It looks like it did not go through it. Sanction has been granted section 4 and 5.
Yes.
But section 4 talks about the offense if you use this explosive for some destructive purpose.
Not only that, possession also.
But was it recovered from his possession?
4B.
Was it recovered from his possession?
No, it was never recovered.
Who says that he bought it from him?
This, as per the investigation, was revealed by the
accused. So can the statement of one accused be used against the other accused? Very limited scope.
Very limited.
If both are standing for trial on the same charge. But the entire thing has not been placed before this court. Why is that his license was not placed?
I don't know what kind of license he have also, you know.
क्या लाइसेंस है तुम्हारा? क्या का लाइसेंस है?
I'm telling this court that is only for shot fire to handle blasting or the gelatin sticks.
तो शॉट फायर का था तो फिर ये एक्सप्लोसिव कहाँ से खरीदता है तुम ये जिलेटिन? ये जिलेटिन
उधर 8 में है।
तुमको खरीदने का लाइसेंस है?
नहीं, खरीदने का लाइसेंस लेके देता है।
हाँ?
लाइसेंस दिया तो कितना केजी 5 केजी 6 केजी देता है। लाइसेंस से बिक्री करता है उधर में 8 में नकदी में पीडब्ल्यूडी का
सप्लायर में भी
पीडब्ल्यूडी का शॉट फायर पहले तो पीडब्ल्यूडी को भी था एक्सप्लोसिव अभी मालिक के साथ में जाना पड़ेगा 8 में नकदी में गुवाहाटी से बना है लाइसेंस
तुम खरीदता है?
नहीं गवर्नमेंट से कितना केजी लाएगा वो
तुम
से करता है।
तुम तो रिटायर हो गया क्या गवर्नमेंट?
मैं पहला अभी तो रिटायर हो गया पहला साल 21 में
रिटायरमेंट होने के बाद में भी तुम ये
एक्सप्लोसिव नहीं करा रिटायरमेंट नहीं करा नहीं किया रिटायरमेंट के बाद पहला 20-21 के बाद 2021-22 21 का 20-21
Oh. Oh, just like he's got the license to buy bullet or shoot. So he takes the bullet and shoots. So the suppliers also thinks that he has got a license. They could give him, but he can shoot.
Maybe.
They have been made witness. Accused can be made a witness. Without the permission of the court.
As they have been discharged.
Six and 20. Prohibition such as possible. They just filed it. See, this one, the sale of explosive substance by an individual without, from his own admission, he has sold explosive materials on the to the following persons: Debarsan Suyam, Motishar village, 10 gelatin sticks and 20 detonators worth 1800. And Rokesh Lamare of Raliang, 20 gelatin sticks and 20 detonators 1400. The sale of the explosive substance by individual without valid license is a serious offence under the explosive
Act, Substance Act.
Okay. Any evidence to connect this explosive with being used for destruction of, for damaging, causing danger to life and property?
The destruction has not been caused, but there's an attempt. They have not detonated. They have not detonated.
Where is that evidence?
They have not detonated. They have just kept placed in open places.
He sold 10 and 20.
Yes.
Almost
recovery
30.
was made only two, if I'm saying, 2 gelatin sticks.
From where?
From here only.
Where?
Which was planted, these Jaintias never recovered.
They planted this. Who planted this?
According to the investigation, it was the person. Yeah.
Planted in some public place?
Yes, public place.
And these gelatins were found in public place?
Yes. Now, the recovered gelatin sticks were recovered from the dump site.
With 2 gelatin sticks, how much explosion it will cause?
But as per this investigation, was revealed that they have purchased many, but only could be recovered only 2.
Any evidence that these people are connected to HNLC?
No, it's per se only the statement of the accused themselves.
With the FIR. Be inside the passport. Or the prosecutor. Yes, anything you have to say?
So now, apart from what you have to submit, I would like to add, that the 164 CRPC was never paid for the accused person, and also 161 CRPC was not admissible before this court of law, As
Sorry?
161 CRPC was not admissible, as before the court of law. So we cannot rely upon the 161 statement of the witnesses, And the accused person, though it was alleged that he was the one who led to the recovery of the gelatin, However, his signature was never, he never put his signature on the station list, And, nothing was seized from his possession, in this instant case, Therefore, pray before this court to discharge the accused,
Your Honor, in connection with the accused,
You are for whom?
Dibarsam Suyam.
Only his statement is, the only evidence is the statement of the accused made before the investigating officer.
Yes, Your Honor.
Other than that, nothing is there.
Nothing, Your
One witness stated, Your Honor, that, against the accused Dibarsam Suyam, he stated that I have read earlier, it was him, he has replied that it was some blasting materials. Before this witness, we had drive him all the way from his village to Cleariat. Mickey John Sayo, the witness.
But this accused himself is saying that he's buying the explosive from such and such place.
Yes.
But why there was no investigation on that part? From where did he get the explosive? If he's selling explosive without license.
Silent.
But he's telling that from where I bought the explosive, I know. I'll show from where I bought the explosive. But the investigation, there's no investigation carried out.
Before the court, he's saying that, he said, I bought at that point of time when I was working, still employed. Now he said, he's denying it now, saying that I never purchased after I retired. So there is no question in him saying before he telling the police. The fact that he said I have a license, yes, the police has recorded that he has a short fire license.
Yes. Yes, yes. Right, Reserve Council, fixed for orders.
Call the witness. Call the witness, Your Honor.
These witnesses for what?
Seizure of one Maruti 800, Your Honor.
What case?
302, Your Honor.
What vehicle has
This is item number 2, Your Honor.
Okay. Who is for the defense?
Defense is
Where are the accused persons?
Yeah, there you
Where?
Bang smile mo mas dang.